So I've already dropped the headliner board down by taking off the sun visors, the grab handles, and flexing the board away from the A-pillars and some of the other middle and rear pillars. So once it's down, with sedans, ideally you want to be taking them out through the front passenger door. Sometimes you've got to give them a bit of a flex to get them out gently so you don't break the board. Put some padding down this section because you don't want the headliner to be scraping against interior parts, because it can leave a nasty mark. Guys, that's the headliner removed out of the sedan. So if you're looking for more tips and tricks and a professional way on how to repair a car headliner, we have that. It's one of our ebooks over at Reece's AutoHeadliningRepairs.com. There'll be a link to it in the description below. It's titled Headlining Secrets.